Hello, it's Brandy Davison here. I'm super excited to be doing my first official unboxing as a sparkler with Spiegelmom Scraps. Really excited to be on the creative team with them, and super excited to get playing with my first month of sequins. I had the pleasure of being a guest member last month, so quickly realized how fun and amazing it is to be playing with sequins and the ability to use such an amazing product but pull in stuff from your stash, which is just so much fun. So this month is my first month as like an official creative team member, and I'm really excited to be here. So without further ado, I will get to it. So for this month, for September, I will be playing with these goodies that were sent my way, and I will lay these out and then I'll walk you through each of them because they are just so fabulous. So off the bat, we have Pink Poison. How great are those? There's these oval shaped big pink ones. Make sure I'm in the middle of the camera here. There we go. These little clovers, there's these little X's or plus signs, however you use them. Just such a great little combination. I'll try and shake it around a little bit there so that you can see and get really nice and close. So that is Pink Poison, and I will definitely include links to all of these below. And the quote on this one is, please be aware of the energy you bring into this room. I love that. Absolutely true. And a quick apology about my Band-Aid. We're teaching our puppy how to leave it and drop it, and I mistimed the drop it command and, you know, discovered a tooth, if you will. So it doesn't look so great on these close-ups, so I'll try and tuck it behind. So this other one is called Orange Orange. I love this. This is, well, of course, super fall related, right, with oranges and the leaves in here. And I've got to ask Jody what these ones are called because I love them. They're like pinwheely or something. This would, to me, also right away, less than fall. I instantly had like memories of Orange Crush floats from being a kid, and I think this would be so fun to use that with. So I'm really excited about this one. Again, Orange Orange. I'll link to it below. Really great for fall and any other kind of orange related thing you have in mind. And the quote is, "The creative mind works in unique ways," by Kim Butler. I'm always so excited to see what's on the back. So there we go. This other one is called Purple Passion. Oh, what a cool name. So this is all kinds of purple, and this kind of has like the full gamut of purple, from sort of that light, I don't even know what that mauvey kind of color, right through to a lavender. And then there's these holographic pieces, and hopefully that's coming through, that bring in a bit of that almost like a cornflower blue kind of touch to it, which really offsets that purple. So there's little hearts, there's little stars, there's these clear guys, there's these little roly-doo dudes. I see some purple leaves in there. Can you see that guy? That's pretty neat. Yeah, and some of the stars are open and some are closed. Really cool. I'm excited to use that one. I love how soft that is, but I think it could look really bold on that on a certain background. So that'll be good. Oh, and my saying, whatever you think, just think creative. Love it. All right. Blue Bloodgrin. Blue Bloodgrin. I'm probably saying that horribly. I love it. That is amazing. Look at that. Look at this big one that's right in here. It's like a big sun star or something like that. I love it. So there's this big hexagons. There's little stars, little hearts in there, little stars in there. I see some more of these little clover guys in there. Just love it. And this has sort of that teal tinge to it with silver. And with this deep navy, just some smaller amount in there really just makes those other colors pop. Absolutely love that. I know that that is gonna, ooh, I got some ideas for that guy already. All right, Fab Fuchsia. Oh, I keep forgetting the little saying. It's my favorite part. See what the others don't see. This is creativity. Love it. All right, Fab Fuchsia, here we go. So this is obviously fuchsia. Lots of pinks in here, mostly of the fuchsia color, but you can also see there's a kind of a more subtle pink in some of these smaller pieces. I'll just spread it out a little bit more, which really makes that fuchsia color pop. These fuchsia sequins have like a glittery to them. There's little hearts, little stars, both solid, and then just the outline. I love these big ones. And then a bunch of the little guys in here too. Super fun, love that. Ooh, I see like Chamel kind of collections with this guy for sure. All right, last but not least is Green Galaxy. Look at this. This is just so much fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this has gold in it because, of course, gold looks so good with green. But one thing I have not seen yet before in a collection, and maybe I just haven't had the right mix of the mix, but there's a square one in here. Do you see that? How fun is that? I can't wait to pull those out and see what's all in here. There's a whole bunch of them. So there's little circles, there's little fir trees, right? Leaves, lime green. There's this one gold big amazing one in here. Super fun. I cannot wait to just really dig into this. Those square ones, oh, they make me so happy. And look at, there's some kind of silvery one here, diamond shaped. Ah, there's everything in this one. I love it. So that is green galore. And the grass is green where you water it. Well, there you go. Bloom where you're planted. Dig in where you are. I love it. So those are the September sequins. So these were would have been available for pre-order as well before the month. And we offer that every single month at Spiegelmom Scraps. So get in on the newsletter, watch the social media, that kind of thing, and you'll see you'll get sneak peeks for what's coming up for pre-order. And then of course, they're available to order from the shop as well. So I will link to all of the things in the comments below, and then you'll also see my video on Bradley Davison social media, my Instagram account and Facebook and all that good stuff, and that's there below. And just a special shout out as well to Jody at Spiegelmom Scraps, who also blessed me with some additional packs to play with this month as well, and I am so excited. That summer feeling, look at that guy. How fun is this? Let me just make sure I'm in the camera there. Be creative, creative. Also the Into the Woods. I have actually had this one and it's gone. Like I have mixed it with so many others to really bring out, I do a lot of hiking, to bring the color to my hiking pages, but also that kind of that wood treatment, and it blends so beautifully. I just love it. Also, I Dream of Sequins. Check this guy out. How fun is that? There's a butterfly. I just love this mix. Again, like a Chamel Sparkle City in here, I feel. Hey, good vibe there. And then gumdrops. This one just makes me so happy. I just think of little kids playing. The big gumdrop ones in there, and there's some little leaves. So that's really fun to get a few extra to play with, because I'm loving sequins. And you can tell I've been playing with them more. My dog walked past me the other day with a sequin on her back, and I found one on my yoga mat too. So there is sequins everywhere in this house, and I love it. So that is me for my first month as a design team, my unboxing, and I look really forward to sharing a process video with you, as well as on my Instagram and social media accounts, as well as Spiegelmom's social media, all the things that I get to creating, as well as the rest of the design team. So with that, have a wonderful September, and I hope if this was a back to school month for you, the kids, that you had a good one. We'll chat soon. Thanks. Bye.